Okay, hi guys. Today we will discuss about what is OSGi and how we will use OSGi in AEM and how to create a log files and how we can see our bundle it was been in activate position or deactivated or started or ended everything in our log files. And before going to that, I want to say the full form of OSGi. OSGi means Open Service Gateway Initiative, and it was started in 1999, and it was a group of members has kept this one, so we are calling as osgi.org. org means organization, and initially it was targeted by embedded devices, and most where we are using this OSGi means we have one IDE, that IDE name called Eclipse. We are using in Eclipse IDE and our source implementation. That Apache Flex is an open source implementation for our AEM, and rest of the things will be Eclipse, Unicox, and Spring DM. These are the different source implementation, but in our AEM we are using Apache Flex. And what is meant by embedded devices means I can say an example like an washing machine. Both the software and hardware is used in that washing machines to run a particular work. And what is an advantage of OSGi? Before going to the advantages, we will go for OSGi architecture and execution environment layer and modular layer, lifecycle layer, service layer, and security layer. We have 5 layers in our OSGi architecture. First of all, we will go with the modular layer. Modular layer is nothing but the localhost 4502 system console bundles. When we click this one, you can see some of the bundles. Here you can see 584 bundles are active position, and these are we can call as the modular layer. And life cycle layer, what is meant by the life cycle layer means here you can see that, yeah, this is the life cycle layer. Here if the bundle, whenever we are creating the bundle, it was in install position. After that it will just go to the resolve state. From the resolve state it may be these two are options, starting and stopping. It was an optional, but it will go to the flow like starting the bundle, it was going to the starting position. Here it was activated, and after the there is no use of the bundle. If you want to deploy, if you don't want to use that, you will stop that bundle, and automatically it will go to the uninstall state. This is the life cycle of OSGA. And we have some services layer like OSGA. In OSGA we have OSGA component as well as OSGA services. Services means we can say simply like whatever the data we are giving input, as well as we are getting some of the output by using some service layer. uh, for example, I have said that where we can use these services servlets, schedulers, event listener, event handlers, except the sync models, everything we will use these services. And if we want to call these services in our code, we will use at the rate component. Whenever you are using at the rate component, then our services layer will be activated right over there. And security layer, yeah, it also has some security layer to do not disturb this OSGI architecture, and everything it was done in execution environment layer. These 4 layers is participating in execution environment layer. And what is a bundle? I have said that OSGI, in previously I have said that bundles, and I want to discuss the topic in the bundle. Bundle means in our OSGI, we will use, as I have said that before going to the OSGI, we have some of the code like this is my project. In this project, except the core module, everything has packages, but the core module will contain some jar files. In the jar files, our bundles were present. And why we are using these bundles means if we want to create some projects or maybe anything, if I am creating in one bundle, it will be very difficult to deploy the project. But if we are creating more than 3 or 4 bundles for a single project, it is very easy and there is no risky in that particular thing. So we are using multiple bundles to create a project. And what is meant by the jar file? The class files as well as resource files. Means in class files there will be dot class and a resource files. It may be j dot xml dot jpeg and etc. These two files will present in jar file, but when we are using the bundle, there will be one extra data. It will call metadata and it contains manifest.mf. Whenever these three things will participate in the bundle, and this bundle will be in the jar file, and this is the use for this. Sure. And Maven bundle plugins. We have different types of plugins and bundle manifester headers, like a bundle description to describe the bundle, and bundle symbolic name to mention the bundle, it may be the project name or anything, and bundle vendor, who's the vendor for that bundle, and for the version, you can see the versions. These are all the things it was presenting here, and the export package or maybe import package and bundle activator. These are different types of headers, and these are the different types of bundle manifest headers. And in locally, if I want to show this one, is it real or something? Like just go to your core. Here we have target files. Here we have one jar file. Just try to copy the jar file and place it anywhere. Now try to just extracting this folder. Here you have seen two folders, and this is the com. And if you go inside this com file, whatever the whatever the code it was presenting, whatever the packages it was presenting, like filter, models, and scheduler services, these all will present under that code. And I have set some bundle manifest headers where it will present. Just go back. Here there is meta info, and we will have three folders. These three folders, and this is the OSGi services, and these are some of the examples. Means whatever the code it was predefined or maybe it was created one, it will present in here. And as I have said, this is the meta type and meta info. Here, if you go to this manifest.mf, just open with the notepad plus plus. Here you can see that manifest version. Like a version of the bundle, or you can here you can see where what is the manifest version created by and by build JDK specific and bundle category, bundle description, bundle manifest version. Whenever we are creating a bundle, by having these all the things, it will create a bundle. Or I have said that we will use this OSGi in our schedulers, and some of the workflows are like that. For that, if you have seen that it was using Java X servlet, and here you can see like schedulers maybe where it was presenting. Okay, I will try it. Yeah, here you can see that it was presenting schedulers and a version of the schedulers, and we have some of the APIs, and we have some import packages. As I have said that we have import packages as well as export packages, and we have some private package provide capability, require capability. Whenever we are creating the bundle by using these all the bundle manifest headers or anything, we can create our bundle. And this is my bundle category, and this is my bundle description, and this is the version of the bundle manifest bundle, and this is the bundle name, and this is the bundle symbolic name, and this is the bundle version. And you can see that I have extracted here, right? Yeah, this is the bundle, and there up to now I have discussed about the bundle name as well as the version, and these are all the things, and everything it will present in meta info. And here you can see the bundle manifest header. And life cycle. What for our OSGi we have one life cycle, that is install. In this install we can whatever the bundle has been created, we can means while we are getting that bundle outside the box, I like it may be from Google, or it may be from another source, or it may be from another person. By installing option we can install that bundle in our modular layer. And resolve, the state indicates that the bundle is either ready to be start or has stopped. Means resolve, the position of resolved is this one. Here we can think that the bundle is ready to start, or neither it was stopped in position, we can say that one. And starting, the bundle is being started, we have one in the layer we have one thing that is starting. Here the bundle it will be start, and we have active, the bundle has been successfully activated and is running. Where we can see this position means here, after the bundle started it will be successfully activated in this position. And we have one stop option, it was showing that. And if we have stopped that bundle, automatically it will be uninstalled, then the bundle has been uninstalled. And this is the theory of the voyage, that at what time it was done. Where we can see that in the other instance, this is the CRX quick start folder. In this we have one logs folder. Here these are the different types of log files. If anything was happened to a particular services or maybe particular packages, we can see here. And now I just want to show you how to create these all the things. Before that, where we will create a bundle in our code. Bundle is we can create our bundle in our code. And here we have one services package. Just try to right click and create a class, and just mention like project bundle. Simply click finish. If I want to convert this class into OSGi, means if I want at the rate component. Okay, I have created at the rate component. And after that, if I want to mention it was a, I want to mention service equal to, we have a layer, means we have a life cycle for this particular one. On that scenario, we can use our class name as a service dot class. And it is, we can say comma immediate equal to, why we are using immediate equal to run our bundle, or maybe some of the code, it want to be at a top position. It want to give some preference for this. And I have said that we have some name, and give that name the same class name. And name it was a string, right? Okay. Now I have created a, now I have converted my code to a services, OSGI services. Now I have said that I will show you some of the log files. For getting some log files, we have public static dot logger dot equal to. If I do the same thing in my Visual Studio Code means it will give some of the options, but here it won't. We want to write manually, and for logger you want to import some of, sorry, log equal to, we have some logger factory dot get logger, and just mention your class name dot class. Here what I have done means I have created one logger. By using this one, I actually, whenever we are creating something, we have some of the libraries or some of the classes or maybe some of the object, it was already predefined. We want to just render those things. For rendering that, first of all, I want to create one logger, and in that logger, I want to get my logger factory, and whatever the changes it was done in this class. It may be the bundle, it was maybe active or deactive or maybe started or deleted. It was presented in this class. I want I want those loggers I want to see in this log file. For this one, I have written that thing, and now simply activations like at the rate activate. Here just mention that log.info. Now just may pass a message like what is my class name? It was the project bundle is activated. Just close the string. Here what I am doing means if the I have used some of the annotations like at the rate activate. If the if the annotation means if this bundle was activated, it want to show this message in our log file. Info means information. In our log information, it want to show this bundle was activated. If it was in deactivated, yeah, everything it was a I simply we can say that. Okay, here I have written a small code like 1 hour the bundle it was activated, I want to show this message in my log.info. Whenever my bundle was deactivated, it want to show in my log file. I will try to write some of the thing. I think so it will work or not. Okay. First I will try with this thing. I up to now everyone I think so it was understand. I have used that this code. We are implementing some of the OSGi services in this code. So I have written this one. The red component is useful for getting OSGi services in my code, and I have one class, so I have mentioned my class as dynamically. If I don't have any class, I want to mention those. So it may be sublet means sublet dot class. Like that, we just mention and immediate equal to true. My code it want to give the first preference, and I have name of my uh, one. I have mentioned one of the name for this one, and here I have used this logger that I automatically want to create. We have a log file in our Kickstart folder, and by using logger.factory, we want to get the loggers. What are the loggers? Whatever the class, whatever the loggers it was presenting in our class project.bundle.class. It may be the bundle was activating or deactivating or modifications was done or started or stopped or anything. What are some of the configurations we have mentioned in this OIG? Everything it will whatever the thing it was done in this class. I want to get that one output by using here. How I can get by using the get logger, I'm getting the data from project.bundle. And by using logger factory manager, I am sending my data to the log file. Now I have done the backend part. And I have said that I want to create a separate log file. Here you can see that different logger files, but I want to create my own log files for debugging or maybe anything. Simply go to your local host. Simply you can duplicate this tab. Here we have sync option. In this sync option, we have log support. Okay, just click on the log support. Create a add new logger. Click on the add new logger. Here we have some of the options like if you use this info option, whatever the options under this info, we will get for this one. Automatically, it will do debug, trace, off, and default options. And if I select the error option and the options below the error and maybe the error, everything it will be performed. Right now, I want to know the info of that. For that, it will create a log file where it will create a log file in the logs file. Here you can see this is the log file. Okay. I want to create my log files right over there. And what is the log file name? I can mention like project. Okay, project.log. Here in log files, I want to see this project.log. I can't see .log, I can see the project name and what it want to present in this log file. Here we have one package name like services. Just try to copy that one and paste here. Simply save that one. Here I have saved that one project. As I have saved that, okay, I will try to reload the page. Okay, it was not done. I will add a new login. Here I will just mention hello. Now you can see our logger. Previously I have some of the loggers with this, so it was not sure. Uh, Here I have created my log file, and now What is our bundle name? Our project name, it may be. You can search here, and this is my bundle. And where you can see the bundle means in OSGi bundles. If you click right over here, and these are all the bundles it was showing. Simply select your bundle. It may be some, and this is the bundle. Okay. Now I want to do some changes for this one. For that, simply first of all try to run this code. After deploying this code, we will do some changes for this bundle. Maybe I want to stop this bundle and I want to delete this bundle and I want to add a new bundle. How I can do that? I will just let you know here. Who are sitting beside, please here in my lab, and I will show you at the end. After building the code, what I will do, I will just let you know. Okay, right now it was gone build success. Just go to your bundle. Now try to stop this bundle. Take that your bundle. Okay, now it was in stop position. I have said that it was in install position. It may be starting, ready to start, or it is ready to stop, or it was stopped. It will show in install position. Now try to run that one again. And I have start and stop this one. Simply go to your logger files. As I have said that we can see our log files here. And what is our log file? It was this one. It was the hello. No, I think it was the hell log file. Simply try to open this log file, and here it will show the output. When it was at what time this bundle was deactivated, at what time it was activated, and it was there was interlinking with some bundle, so it was showing that bundle too. This is the different bundle, and this is the different bundle. It was showing it was activated, and like this we can get our output. It may be the bundle which was in start position or maybe in stop position or anything. And one more thing I want to share that if I want to, I don't want this bundle. Simply uninstall this bundle. As for our life cycle, I have uninstalled this bundle. Now you can check that is the bundle it was presenting or not. It was not presenting. How to add a bundle to our package? For that, here we have install and update option. Click on that. If we want to start our bundle, automatically just try to click on that. And if I want to refresh my package, just click on the refresh package. And here we have choose file option. Try to choose file and just go to your project name and core. In core, we have the target file, target folder. Just go to the target folder. Here one jar file it was presenting. Just try to click that one, open and install or update. Now try to reload your page and check that the bundle it was presenting or not. And again you can see that. Like this we can update our package and you can see the same options were presenting and it was in the active position. Our bundle is in active position. Like this we will debug our we can see our debug options in our note like a logger files and you can check that I want. Here we can see that when my project bundle is deactivated, when my project bundle is activated, and when I have deactivated, I have activated multiple times. And we can debug our thing. What is meant by debugging? We can say how the workflow it was going and whom these guys are working try to modifying or editing or anything we can see here. Here we can, as I have said that we can see the date, but we can't see who was doing the modification or edition or anything and where it was applying. It was applying to my services. This is the package name and this is the class name of different class, not for this one. And it was showing that thing. And here you can see this is my class name. And these are the things it was changing. And that's all guys I want to share about OSGA. Thank you.